pubic infection and inflammations. The three major causes of pubic infection and inflammations. That is what I am going to discuss in today's video. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case, if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are the three major causes of pubic infection and inflammation? In case you might not know what is infection. Infection is like some microorganisms that develop or grow on our body system, and with this growth of these microorganisms, it can cause problem in our body system, which means it can disorganize your immune system and cause you not to be comfortable as a human being. So that is infection. Now, what is inflammation? Inflammation is like burning in any area or any part of your body system. Infection or something can cause inflammation. So when you experience burning in any part of your body or in any part of your body system, it is as a result of inflammation. And in today's video, I am going to share with you the three major causes of either infection and inflammation in your pubic area. What are the causes of infection and inflammation? The three causes or the three things which can cause this infection and inflammation are: number one is constant use of a particular object. What do I mean by this? For example, when you use razor, scissors, or clipper to cut hairs around your pubic area, it can cause infection. When you use any of these objects listed earlier to cut your pubic area without sterilization, that is, killing germs that might form on the object, without killing those germs or without sterilization, it can cause infection. But on how you use one object once and throw it, it cannot cause infection. But if you want to use it subsequently, maybe next time, you need to sterilize it, either with the use of chemicals or through heating, so that those germs that may form on that object will be terminated. So once you do this, it can help you to prevent any infection and inflammation, either in your pubic area or in any part of your body system. Number two cause of infection or inflammation in the pubic area is smegma. What is smegma? Smegma is when you encounter your partner, then after the time you spend with your partner, you know what I mean, without washing your privates, it can lead to smegma. So smegma are those wounded tissues that you get after you have encountered your partner. You as a man, without washing your wound, you will have a smegma. And smegma forms when the dead tissues are allowed to dry up on your wound. Once you experience smegma and without washing your wound, it can lead to infection and also lead to inflammation. So it is very, very good to learn to wash your wound after you have finished having time with your partner. So watch your wound in order to prevent infection and inflammation. So that is it. Now, Number 3 and the last is friction. Like I said in one of my videos, that friction can still cause you to have a weak and smaller wood. But what is friction? Friction is like opposition of movements between two objects. So once you have friction between your lab and your wood, it can lead to infection and also lead to inflammation, because in terms of infection, those sweats that might dried up around your pubic region might have some wounded tissues or dead tissues, which after having friction, it can lead to STI or STDs. And once this happen, or you have encounter with someone who is infected, it can also lead to infection or inflammation. So these are the 3 causes of pubic infection and inflammation which you need to avoid in order to live a healthy life as a man. After you might have finished trimming the areas or your pubic region, it is better to throw away the objects, or if you want to use any of those objects, all you have to do is to sterilize it or heat it in order to kill any germs which might be on that object. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value from watching this video and you enjoy watching this video, do well to hit the like button, subscribe once again to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.